You can have your AIP and your pasta too. Welcome to World AIP, the YouTube channel dedicated exclusively to helping you implement the Autoimmune Protocol. It might also be helpful to you if you're into clean eating in general, whole food based diet. I'm Stacy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make like pasta, pappardelle and gnocchi and linguine and pasta. Even like alphabet shaped pasta. I got you covered. So basically all you're really gonna need is a little bit of oil, maybe some fresh herbs or dried herbs, and the magic ingredient is gonna be green bananas. These are not green anymore. Well, they're brown because they've been in the fridge for a couple days, but that's okay. You're not even gonna notice when I blend them up. I prepped them to do this video and then I got busy, but these are peeled, unripe, very green bananas. Not plantains, just regular old Chiquita banana that you get at your random, any grocery store in the country, anywhere. But they're very green and unripe, so you're gonna have to look underneath the banana stand in the boxes. Sometimes they have the green ones, or the produce guy can get it from the back. If they are starting to yellow, you're going to taste banana. If they are green as can be, you will not taste banana. It's just going to be a very neutral flavor. The reason I'm not using plantain for this recipe is because the green banana is just a little bit softer and a little more of a pasta mouthfeel. The plantain you can use, green plantain, but it's going to have a firmer texture. So anyway, green banana. I cut the ends off and I peeled it. There's a video here where I show you how to do that. And then here's what we're working with. So I'm gonna throw my raw green banana in here, and then I'm going to add just a touch of oil, and it doesn't matter what kind of oil. I'm gonna go like, I'd say that was a tablespoon, just a little bit of oil. So this was like just under a pound, actually a little bit, like maybe 3/4 of a pound. So I put 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt in there. I want to season it up a little. I'm just gonna put a little bit of rosemary. Bless you, Lucy. Oh my. And thyme. Blend it up. Look at that gorgeous pillowy dough. So here's the base of the pasta. Now, to make pappardelle or linguine or something like that, we're going to use parchment paper. To make alphabet shapes for like an alphabet soup, you would need to get a special silicone mold. I don't have the alphabet shapes, so I'm going to use these chocolate candy molds. You could use any food grade silicone mold. So you could use like square ice cube tray, as long as it's food grade, you know, heat safe. And any shape. They have some really cute shapes. They have like gummy worm shaped silicone trays. Imagine a bowl full of gummy worm shaped pasta. That would be so cute. Or to, you know, make like a no-mato soup and then have little letters floating in it. It's so cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna use these because that's what I had in the house, and I'm gonna show you how to use parchment paper to make shapes too. You wanna spread this super thin. Like really thin. I mean, okay, not paper thin, but the width of, you know, the pasta. Wouldn't have a big old thick piece of pappardelle, right? Take that. And then we can get it even a little bit thinner, just like that. I'm just gonna fold this right in half. It'll be fine. So there's that. I'm gonna make like 1 or 2 more of these. Ta-da! Because I didn't make a lot of dough, I'm probably just gonna do the rest in these. Even put your dough in a, alright, the plastic police are gonna come and get me, I know. This is BPA free. doing a little bit of this just to show you the possibilities. And then basically, see, this flattens them out. This is gonna be like pappardelle. Okay, let's get these in the Instant Pot. So I've put 1.5 cups of water on the bottom of my Instant Pot. I'm just gonna put this rack here and put this silicone molds. Now you could just do all of these and you could just stack them like boom, boom, boom all the way up. I didn't make enough dough for that. And then I have the couple that I spread thin. Just pop those right on there. And then I have my pappardelle. Okay, I'm gonna do manual 35 and check back in 35 minutes. All right, 35 minutes are up. Let's see what we got. Woo. I'm just gonna let these cool for a second and then I'll show you what we have here. These really need to cool completely before you remove them or they're gonna fall apart. So stick these in the fridge, let it cool completely. We'll revisit it in the morning. All right, these have been in the fridge overnight. Look at this. They pop right out. And I just want you to see how pretty they are. So these you could use as gnocchi. You could toss them in some of my paleo butter pats, which is just refined coconut oil with garlic, a little turmeric. What a cute little side dish. You could also just throw a handful into your soup or something. They hold together really well. Like, I don't know if you can see this. I'm having a Raynaud's attack. Freezing in this kitchen. But let me show you how it looks when you cut into it. You can see kind of how the mouthfeel is. It's firm. And the taste is nice soft mouthfeel. It's pasta. Let's look at our tagliatelle and pappardelle and linguine. This peels right off. Gives you long strips. You can see the noodly texture, right? That's all ready to be tossed with some garlicky oil. You can cut this into whatever shapes you'd like. So for linguine, okay, this is kind of a wide linguine. But I mean, basically, there's your, I know that's freaky. I'm sorry about the yellow fingers. Or you could go for more of like a tagliatelle. That's a nice wide strip. And I think that's honestly the best because it's easy. Also, oh, tossed lasagna, right? You toss this up with your tomato sauce and a little bit of AIP cheese and you have like an amazing, oh, bolognese too. Make sure to put some ground beef in there. That's an amazing, delicious meal. Serving suggestions, obviously, you know, you could put tomato sauce on there. You could do like a garlic and olive oil, like a shrimp scampi. Oh, you can throw these pieces into any kind of soup or stew. And like I said, you can make little alphabet shapes. You can get fun with it, get creative. If you've missed pasta salad, this is perfect for that. You know, you mix up some AIP mayonnaise, some little herbs, something like that. You throw little bits into a stir fry. I would love to hear if you make these, how you use them, how you liked them, if you added any special herbs or seasoning blends or anything like that. Would love to hear your experience with these. I hope you like them as much as I do. Also, you can find me on Patreon. I do post free little clips almost every day. Those are available to the public, and $2 patrons get a exclusive recipe, patron only, once a month as a thank you. But my clips are always free, and I'll show you like what I bought at the grocery store or what I'm working on in the kitchen and fun stuff like that. So anyway, I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your pasta, and until then, be healthy.